Hey, this is the 1976 Trans Am. Super clean underneath here. I mean, really clean. Brand new rebuilt trans, rebuilt engine. We are putting a wheel bearing in it. You can see no leaks from that engine. The engine runs and starts very strong. We might be putting brakes and rotors on it when we take the front wheels off. We'll take a look. Everything under here extremely clean though, fresh. Quarters are really nice too. That's all metal. There's no, it really isn't a lot of Bondo. The paint's not a 100-point show car for sure, but it does look pretty darn good, the body wise. So new rebuilt trans. Exhaust is new. Just a ton of stuff on this car. Very solid car.